Well, I'm taking my Polish school engine off my Edwardian power plant diorama. It needs some repairs. It needs a new piston ring and probably a bit of a lap to the slide valve. So I'm going to replace it with a Stuart S50, I think, for now anyway. But it'll be a while because I'll need the lathe and so on, and it's a bit cold up in that workshop at the moment. Oh, I made a start. This is to cover up the electrics and make a base for the Stuart. How to cover up the electrics is a bit complicated because there's a 1.5 volt system and a 6 volt system, plus these can be either driven by transformers at the end here or by the little generators on the engines. I had to do it this way because I can't steam the diorama when I've been showing it at exhibitions in hotels and so on. So they're a bit complicated, but they do work. That's the Stuart in place, but not bolted down yet. Loads of wiring, pipe work and painting to do. Keep me out of mischief. It seems to find its place there quite well. Well, that's the Stuart bolted down. The little generator fitted, belt on. I just hope I've got these pulley ratios right. So I've hooked up a voltmeter. I'll give it a flick by hand, and it goes up even at that speed to about 1.5. So Jenny's working. Right, a quick air test on the Stuart. There she goes. Running slow. There's a bit of a noise from the crosshead guide here, but it doesn't seem to be affecting the way she's running at all. I'll put in the new lubricator and pipe work here and so on, and done a little bit of painting here and there as well. Haven't done the electrics yet, but I'm pleased with the Stuart. She's running quite nicely. Even turns very slowly, which is nice. quite happy the way it looks. This new colour scheme. I've got some of the wiring done, not all of it, but I'll get there. And there's my crew, getting everything ready to give it a run. Cold bunker wall, everything checked. They've even got the paraffin lights lit until the generators can take over. Always fun playing. And there we go. Everything working. Even the whistle. Hope everybody enjoys.